Howdy y'all, JT here, doing a special unboxing. You get to see me live out my cowgirl dreams as I unbox the Heritage Rough Rider single action revolver. That's right. This is a revolver in 22 LR. And what do we get in the box? We get instruction manual. Important to read, especially since a lot of people may not be familiar with how to operate single action revolver. I need it for class. For classes I'm teaching, so I can give an example of it, and people might be interested in revolvers. Hey, maybe they're lacking hand strength, maybe they're recoil shy. All good reasons. And this also, which is awesome, I did not realize, it can accept 22 mag too. So 22 LR and 22 mag. All you have to do is order another cylinder for it. And we also have warning label and discount on joining the NRA. Got a gun lock. And here is the firearm itself. I don't think even Joe Biden can object to that, or the ATF. That's a single action revolver. I know it is black, but but it does have this nice cherryish wood grip that is very reminiscent, very nostalgic of a traditional feel of a single action. Got a nice old style trigger. Of course, you got your hammer. This does have a safety on the left hand side. Got a loading gate. One thing I do like about this is it is a 4 1/4 inch barrel. Usually I found these to be like 6.5 inch barrel, and I found it was really weighty. I didn't enjoy it as much. This feels really great. I think I could manage that. I know some women have asked me what I thought about 22 as a personal defense option. Recoil shy. There are some reliability issues with 22 LR, but a revolver can mitigate some of that, because if something does go bang, you switch off to the next chamber. So that's one advantage. Federal does make a new personal defense 22 LR now called Federal Punch. It's nickel plated. Flat nosed, and I wanted to order some, but they're out of stock online, so one day I am looking forward to shooting that. But I have been shooting a lot of 22 lately with the prices of ammo and it being hard to find. I have 22, so that's always a great thing. So great plinking round. This is a great firearm to maybe learn the basics on. And the best part of all, I got it on sale, even at today's prices, for $150. So not too shabby. Overall, I like the look. I like the feel. I'm very impressed. I will probably do some range footage with this. And it's just very classic. Feels very, very Western, very nostalgic. This Heritage is real good. It says Rainbridge, Georgia. Okay, you can see some of the some of the lettering. See, I might wipe some of that out, but I know it kind of looks classic though, the way it is. Overall, I like it. I like the barrel size. The sights, they aren't terrible as far as the revolver goes. Yeah. Usable. So, if anyone out there has experience with Heritage Rough Riders, let me know. I'll be happy to hear what you think about them. I hear Ruger Wranglers are great single action revolvers as well. Thanks for tuning in and keep shooting. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.